Have you ever noticed that in almost every industry, a tiny group of people seems to hold the vast majority of the rewards? Whether it is land ownership, stock market gains, or even the popularity of apps on your phone, the distribution is never equal. This is the logic of the Pareto Principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. It originated when an Italian economist named Vilfredo Pareto noticed that 80% of the peas in his garden came from just 20% of the pods. When he looked at land ownership in Italy, he found the exact same mathematical ratio. 20% of the population owned 80% of the land. This isn't just a quirk of history, it is a fundamental law of natural systems called accumulative advantage. In the U.S. economy, the logic works like a snowball rolling down a hill. Once a person or a company gains a small lead, the top 20%, they have more resources to invest, more connections to leverage, and more visibility to attract even more success. This is often called the Matthew effect. To those who have, more will be given. This mathematical aha moment reveals that inequality is often the default state of any competitive system left to itself. But the Pareto Principle isn't just a warning about the wealth gap. It is a tool for your personal finance. The logic states that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. If you look at your bank account, you will likely find that 80% of your unnecessary spending comes from just 20% of your habits. By identifying the critical 20% of actions that drive your success, you can stop wasting time on the 80% that doesn't matter. Mastery of the Pareto logic allows you to navigate a world of unequal distributions by focusing your energy where it actually multiplies. It's not about working harder, it's about finding the 20% that moves the mountain.